Hop into the 2020 Audi Q3. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a stylish, capable Q3 that offers a spirited driving experience, all-wheel drive, premium materials and craftsmanship, and an impressive suite of the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Capability meets premium luxury in this remarkable Q3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.